Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to look at what I consider to be the 3 best accessories that you need for your GoPro. Alright, so the first accessory we're going to look at today is called the handler. As you can see, it has the little normal sort of GoPro fitted top here where you can just slide in the connector that you use to join it to the camera. And at the bottom it has this bright orange end. And what the handler is ideal for is if you're filming in the water or maybe near the water. If you happen to drop the handler in the water, what happens is this orange end will float up to the top, which is real handy, and it means that you won't lose your GoPro on the bottom of the ocean floor. Nobody wants that. So we're going to show you right now how easy it is to connect the handler to your GoPro. All right, so here's the connector that you get with the GoPro. And what you want to do to put it on the handler, you have to get this rubberized part here, and you're going to lift it up like so. And now we just got to slide it into the top of the handler. So that's the handler. That's my first accessory that I think is essential for everyone who's filming stuff with a GoPro, especially if you're going to be around the water. So the second one we're going to look at today is this one. It's called the 3-way. And the 3-way has 3 different ways of using this great little accessory. So the first way that you can use the 3-way is a little bit like the handler, where you can have it like a nice grip there, a nice hand grip, and have your GoPro attached to the top of it. All right, so this is the second way that you can use the 3-way. Basically, it's like the ultimate selfie stick. You can bend it, you can shape it, you can put it any way you like it. And when you use the selfie stick, or when you use the 3-way in this way, you can get your footage without actually having your hand or the selfie stick in the way. You simply need to loosen or tighten these screws here to make sure that the camera doesn't actually move when you're using it. It's very handy, very easy to use. And here at the top is like your normal GoPro screw that you'll see on like most of their equipment. All right now I am filming with the 3-way. I'm walking around, I'm holding it like a selfie stick, and I can move it around, and as you can see, it does a great job. This is great for vlogging, traveling, and the fact that it folds up so small and so easy, you can easily pop it in your backpack or day pack. No troubles at all. It's not like big and bulky. It's actually a really handy unit, and it does a great job. But this is called the 3-way, which means there's one more option that we have to explore, and it's a good one. Okay, so the third and last option that you can explore with the aptly named 3-way is where you can actually turn this selfie stick slash handler into a tripod. Well, but making sure it's loose and then pressing the blue button, we can actually get it back to its original state. And if we turn it upside down and then flip it over, you'll see right here at the very top, we can see that little black knob thing there. So what we want to do is we want to unscrew that, and then it's going to reveal this little unit here. And if you look on the bottom there, you can see there's now, you can see where it came out of, there's a thread. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this end here, and we're going to screw that right into the bottom of our 3-way. And literally seconds later, we have a tripod out of our 3-way GoPro accessory. Okay, so that's the 3-way. I really love this accessory. And if I was just going to pick one from this list of 3 essential items to get for your GoPro, this would be my number 1. So the last one on my list of what I consider the top 3 GoPro accessories is this little bad boy. It is super versatile. As you can see here on the top, it has the shoe where you can slide your GoPro fitting into, like we did when we were fitting it to the handler earlier. And it has this big clip going on, which has super cool teeth and grips really well. And on the back, and this is real bonus, this is magnetic. Okay, so now we have attached our GoPro to our super duper handy clip here, the GoPro handy clip, and we're going to put it to use and just show you how simple and easy it is to use. So there you go. Now I've attached the GoPro with the big clip to a pole here on the wire mesh fence, which is behind me at the footy oval. As it's magnetic, it's held on there, no dramas at all, and that is not going to come off. Okay, so right now we are filming with the GoPro Hero 9, and it's attached to that awesome little clip that we've just been showing you here on this video. Super handy, right? And the cool thing about this clip is that because it's magnetic and this is a rather tall pole, I can actually adjust it to whatever height I need it. So you want to get like a different shot, or like a shot from a different height, or even a shot from down lower. That is all possible simply and easily by using this super duper GoPro clip. I'm a big fan of this one. I love it. So handy. Of course, as well as the magnetic option, you can use the clip option as well. And we're going to demonstrate how that one works right now. Now I've got the clip clipped to the wire mesh fence here at the footy oval. It's a great option. It's like a tripod. Once again, this is a big, tall wire fence, so you can adjust it to whatever height is going to suit your shot and whatever angle that you need. All right, so that's it. That's my rundown of my 3 favorite must-have GoPro accessories, in my humble opinion, that I think every GoPro user should definitely have. Okay, so which one was your favorite? Perhaps you've got another GoPro accessory that you think tops the 3 that I've shown you here today. If that's the case, let me know in the comment section down below. Hey, thanks for watching today. Hope you got some great value out of this video. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up, or even hit that subscribe button. That would be really great. Make sure you stick around on my channel, because I've got lots of other great GoPro videos that you should check out, like this one, which is just over here. As usual, thanks for your company, and until next time, we'll see you later.